Hindi ko kayo magpunta dito?
Isipin na, may gusto pa man ako eh. Gusto ako ako. Isipin na ko.
Kung kailan po wala kung kailan wala pasok si Joanna para kasama.
Kailan kayanin mo lang pasok? Ay daw.
Bukas.
Ay daw.
Yes, students!
Sir Michael, ikaw ay talagang maubos na yan. Tapos, lahat ang ilalagay mo para may share ng video! May share ka ng video! Sige na mo na! Sige na mo na, sige! Tumigil! Dali na! Ano ang video? Like, oh, ay! Dito ako, si Kami, my teacher. She's my teacher. She knows everything. But she knows everything. Yeah. She knows everything. Ask her. Dali na! You ask her, go! Don't be shy. Because when next year, if you will be a teacher, she will not teach you anymore. If you're going to intervention. What the lecture for? Lecture of light and light. Asod mo nga.
Sige nga, asod mo nga.
Try mo. What about teacher? She is very serious doing her homework. Let's see if we can solve the problem in math.
Additional?
Last or minus?
Which one? Both.
No, on Saturday.
Addition.
Right between the parentheses. What's
The
the
addition.
sign?
Huh?
What's the sign in between the parentheses? Addition. Addition.
There's something you could do, right? This one, right?
You did not.
I have there. The boot of the boy. You want?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
No.
Ginagawa niya. Kasi ano na naman, second project na siya pumasok. Ano bilhin mo? Sponsor mo nga.
Yan daw po yung binibigay sa kanila.
Oo nga, yan.
Hindi daw po niya malaman. Yan yung maintindihan.
Kasi, hindi nga siya.
Saka nahihirapan po siya kasi nga yung mga terms natin sa English, hindi niya alam yung English term. Pero kaya doon niya i-solve, kaya lang hindi niya alam kasi ibig sabihin ng sinasabing teacher. Si Sir Anog po.
Mr. Anos. Oo. Yung si Kano kapag
Pag wala